Sabía.
Knew. Knew.
Este.
East. East.
Otro.
Other. Other.
Permaneció.
Stood. Stood.
Frío.
Cold. Cold.
Voz.
Voice. Voice.
Ejemplo.
Example. Example.
Ciencia.
Science. Science.
Medida.
Measure. Measure.
Mano.
Hand. Hand.
Poder.
Can. Can.
Tiempo.
Time. Time.
Bien.
Right. Right.
Debe.
Must. Must.
Caliente.
Hot. Hot.
¿Qué?
What? What?
Atender.
Serve. Serve.
Montaña.
Mountain. Mountain.
Tierra.
Land. Land.
Último.
Last. Last.
Caminar.
Walk. Walk.
Nunca.
Never. Never.
Pájaro.
Bird. Bird.
Pequeño.
Little. Little.
Alcanzar.
Reach. Reach.
Orden.
Order. Order.
Esperar.
Wait. Wait.
Mismo.
Same. Same.
Eso.
That. That.
Entonces.
So. So.
Habitual.
Usual. Usual.
Afuera.
Out. Out.
Una vez.
Once. Once.
Por.
By. By.
Durante.
During. During.
Cuidado.
Care. Care.
Izquierda.
Left. Left.
Allá.
There. There.
Abierto.
Open. Open.
Necesidad.
Need. Need.
Barco.
Ship. Ship.
Temprano.
Early. Early.
Frente.
Front. Front.
A él.
Him. Him.
Intentar.
Try. Try.
Estado.
Ben. Ben.
Doblar.
Turn. Turn.
Sur.
South. South.
Juego.
Game. Game.
Dibujar.
Draw. Draw.
Correcto.
Correct. Correct.
Saber.
No. no,
calle,
street, street,
libro,
book, book,
hacer,
do,
canción,
song, song,
respuesta,
answer, answer,
pensar,
think, think,
hora,
hour, hour,
tarde,
late, late,
lugar,
place, place,
hecho,
done, done,
parte,
part, part,
luz,
light, light,
simple,
simple, simple,
multiplicar.
multiply, multiply. If you enjoyed this video, give it a big thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel and click on the little bell so you receive a notification every time I upload a new video. Do you like the way I teach English? If you do, please join my Patreon at patreon.com/blabbinit. I have so many useful resources there so that you can learn English quickly. If you join my Patreon, you will have access to digital downloads, shoutouts, and exclusive content. I also provide live chat sessions for members only. In these chat sessions, I will provide you with exercises and dialogues for you to practice directly with me. There will also be a place for you to ask me ¿Cómo se dice en inglés? You will also receive all of the texts to all of the videos that I upload on Blabbinit. I will also include the audio files for you. So check it out and become a member now. You guys are amazing. Watch more of my other videos and I'll see you next time. Ciao, my favorite Blabbanitos!